Number one, the absent product owner. The obvious one, of course, is that the product owner is not available. There may be plenty of reasons for that. No matter what the reasons are, it's always the same outcome. It means that there will be no feedback to developers during the sprint, which might increase the risk of not meeting the sprint goal. The best product backlog refinement shall not answer all the questions in advance that might come up, because then again, I mentioned it a few seconds ago, you may be running into some kind of upfront planning and large requirement documents in the hope that those will explain whatever might be coming up. It's never going to work this way. That would be way too granular to actually make it compatible with Scrum. It's all about the real-time collaboration between the product owner and the development team. This is really supposed to happen every day, every hour, if the development team needs it. There's another issue with the product owner not being present. Inevitably will lead to a sort of delay of accepting tasks and thus creating an artificial queue, which is seriously a problem if QA is not yet largely automated. So the absent product owner is actually a really nasty issue that you should address. If this is due to sickness, okay, such is life. If this is a permanent absence, you really need to talk to the organization, to your management, and escalate this issue. You need to have a product owner available during the sprint.